Hello, I'm Josh Payne, and this is my online learning module. This is a module I actually use in my classes, so it wasn't much to fix to make sure it meets UDL and Robin Williams, needs. So as you can see, I have my basic thing here, my opening thing. If you notice, it's all in a different alignment, like Robin Williams says. It's here. You got the contrast. You have the bold, the everything. Here are my standards. I repeat these multiple times. Repetition is key, as he says, but it's also something that they need to know in order to make sure they get through. I have Krista King on here. She does different fonts, but she is the queen of math, so I have here to help the students if they have any questions. Vocabulary, it's not very pretty, but it's here in the perfect alignment. Here are the grades and assignments. This is listed here. They are listed multiple times in this module because repetition is again key. So I want to make sure that they know everything that they need to. And it's all in this proximity, like Robin Williams says. Tic-tac-toe board, again, it is listed. Maybe this listed. This is where my UDL comes into play. It is engaging. It has different representations. And they get to do things and express themselves however they want. This is not just a teach and preach. While there are 3 on there that is just typically solve, the rest are creating, having fun, making their own things. It's not just the teach and preach method, it is solving. So it hits our UDL because it addresses everything that they need to be a good lesson. If we continue discussion post, again, here's the link of the discussion post. You can tell it's bolded. The alignment is, in my opinion, good. I have it centered for the stuff, and then it sticks out for the other parts. Important links are on here. They are highlighted so that, it's that contrast. It's there. It's the important stuff bolded in the middle. It's to the side for the other. And my list of Web 2.0 tools. This is the unpretty page, but this is a page where they'll just be clicking on links because they're final summative. They are going to have to create something, which is again part of the UDL, but it's a list of them to do, so they don't have to go find their own. So it's a pretty good module. The kids tend to like it when we do it. I do feel that it hits all 3 parts of the UDL and it hits all 4 parts of Robin Williams. And it's a pretty decent module that my kids do love to do. It is one of our review modules since there's only 6 standards, and we do it right before EOC so that they tend to do well, and their creating helps. It's a higher level in Bloom's, which means they can understand it, which means they tend to do better if you can understand and explain. So this is why this module is a great module.